Are you looking for some strategies to start growing your car count immediately? Like I'm talking things that you can do today? Well, on this video, I respond to a subscriber and I'm going to tell you what he asked me and then give you the 3 strategies that I gave him on things that he can do immediately to start growing his car count. All you have to do right now is go ahead and buckle up and don't forget to ring that like button. See you on the other side. Hey, it's Matthew here, the Car Count Fixer. Thank you so much for taking a minute out of your day. If you're an auto repair shop owner and you want to grow your car count, income, and profits, go ahead and smash that subscriber button, ring the bell icon, and that way you'll know every time I release new video content. So, on a recent video, and I'll link that up here, I talked about the 5 things that my underground group of car count hackers have to understand before I start working with them. On that video, AutoBlaze left a comment saying it's really very nice strategies, but does it really work? Well, the short answer to that question was yes, these strategies really work. But AutoBlaze went on to ask, how long does it take to work? Now, in my response, it's pretty straightforward. In short, it really depends where you are. But I wanted to give AutoBlaze and, of course, yourself 3 strategies that you can use immediately to start increasing your car count. So be sure you hang around for the rest of the video. Strategy number 1 was initiate a customer referral program that works. That way, you can immediately leverage the customers that are in your shop. I mean, if a customer has already come into your shop, your marketing, whatever marketing or advertising you're doing, has done the heavy lifting. It's got the customer to come into the shop. But now it's critical that you take that customer and leverage their friends, associates, and coworkers so that they become customers of yours. Strategy number 2 was stop and review your website and pay close attention to the mobile version. Why the mobile version? Well, let me tell you this, and this isn't me speaking. Google says that 82% of your new customers are going to find you first on mobile. So yes, you have to concentrate on both, the desktop version or the computer version of your website, but pay special attention to the mobile version because that's where 82% of your customers are going to find you. And above that, 96% of your customers are going to visit your website before they ever visit you or book an appointment. So your website is really critical to getting more new customers. Number 3, my response was develop a marketing strategy that stays in touch with your customers, at least monthly. Remember, most businesses lose 19% of their customers every year. And that's a lot of customers. If you think about it, from 100 customers that you have today, 19 of them aren't going to be your customer in a year. So how do you do all this? Number 1 is go ahead and get started. In the links below, I have a link to my free course, How to Double Your Car Count in 89 Days, and do it all without wasting your hard-earned dollars on that money-sucking advertising. It's over 2 hours and 20 minutes of video content, all broken up into 16 bite-sized chunks delivered to you over 4 chapters. I urge you to register for it while it's still available, and it's totally free. But my question to you is, in the comments below, what are you doing in your shop to spark more car count? As I record this video, we're just past the back-to-school part of the year where typically car counts take a little bit of a plunge, and auto shop owners are looking for more car count. And the best place to go is with your customers. And get in touch with those customers and give them the kick butt offers that you know are going to get them to come in. I'll even leave a link to this download here, how to develop your own kick butt offers that actually work. But in the comments down below, my question to you is, what are you doing right now in your shop to start to spark more car count? And those are the 3 strategies that you can use today to start growing more car count. Number 1 is go ahead and get that customer referral program working so that you start to leverage every customer in your shop. Number 2, go ahead and review your website. Have a look at it, particularly on a mobile device. That's where 82% of your customers are going to find you first. Number 3, develop a marketing strategy where you're staying in touch with your customers on a regular basis, at least monthly. It's critical. I've had shop owners build multiple millions of dollars in revenues by doing simple, stupid little things like monthly newsletters. It's got to be consistent. You've got to be there every month, and you've got to keep your customers in touch with what's going on. And once you're done leaving your comment on this video, head up here and have a look at this video that's all about a marketing plan for your auto repair shop. And then head down here, watch this other video on marketing your repair shop in 2019 and beyond. I'm Matthew, the Car Count Fixer, and I thank you so much for taking a minute out of your day. Take care and talk real soon.